You asked, how to divide 25,500 by 26 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 25 is too small. Use 255. 255 divided by 26 equals 9. 9 times 26 equals 234. 255 minus 234 equals 21. Bring down 0, making 210. 210 divided by 26 equals 8. 8 times 26 equals 208. 210 minus 208 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 26 equals 0. 0 times 26 equals 0. 20 minus 0 equals 20. The remainder is 20. The final result is 980 remainder 20.